सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
नमस्कार सर।
स्वागतम भवमित्राणि। ज्ञायते किल पुनरेकवारं स्मारयामि भवद्भिः अस्माभिः यत् सत्यम् अस्माभिः अन्तिमं तन्त्रं पठ्यमानं वर्तते। इदानीं परीक्षितकारकमिति गतवर्गे एव प्रारब्धमासीत्। गतवर्गे तत्र आङ्ग्लभाषायां अस्य तन्त्रस्य मुख्यकथाः याः कथाः वर्तन्ते ताः कथाः उद्दिश्यापि किञ्चिदिव आङ्ग्लभाषया उक्तमासीत्, पठितमासीत्। तत्र मुद्रितमस्ति पुस्तके, तदेव यच्चितं तत् पठितमासीत्। वास्तविकरूपेण तत्र कथा मुखमपि प्रास्ताविकी कथा अपि प्रारब्धा आसीत्। एकपृष्ठपर्यन्तं पृष्ठद्वयं तत्र पठितमासीत्। वयं जानीमः एतस्मात् कश्चन व्यापारी दाक्षिणात्ये मणिभद्र नाम वणिक् श्रेष्ठी अत्यंत दरिद्रतां प्राप्तः आत्महत्यां कर्तुं चिन्तयति। अनन्तरं तस्य स्वप्ने कश्चन महापुरुषः तत्र दृष्टः भवति। तेन आश्वासितः अयं वणिक् तर्हि किं करोति इति वयम् अग्रे पठामः। We are seeing how this Manibhadra happens to see a dream when he actually plans to commit suicide. He has a dream, and then in the dream he sees one monk, Jaina monk, who says that there is a lot of treasure earned by your forefathers, and I am that treasure. And tomorrow, when you wake up, I will be coming home in this very form, and then you hit me on my head. I will turn into big bundle of gold. And as per the dream instruction, the person Manibhadra finds the same in the morning, same description, same form of a Jain monk appears, and he is ushered in, and then he is beaten up on his head and he turns into gold. This is all witnessed by one barber who happens to have come there to give some service to the merchant's wife. And then the merchant tells him not to reveal this secret to anybody, giving him money, but that fellow cannot wait. He goes home, and he also plans up in the similar manner that why one monk, I will invite all the monks of the monastery and I will hit them all so that I will get more wealth than this Manibhadra. So that is Lobha, a clear case of Lobha. Yes, Srinivas?
We have stopped at shloka number 7. We have
seven, yes. 8th shloka you have to take. Right.
अजयतनी कक्षः संख्याः वदतुम् इच्छामि।
षष्ट्युत्तर शततमः वर्गः 160th class of Panchatantra, right?
सुकुलं कुशलं सृजनं विहाय कुलकुशलशीलविकलेपि आढ्ये कल्पतराविव नित्यं रज्यन्ति जननिवहाः।
Sukulam, no, this is still the thinking of the Manibhadra. Manibhadra only thinking, his thought is coming out in so many poems here. Ratro Supta Chita. After sleeping, he is thinking like this. That Shreshti, that merchant is thinking like this. All the 7 poems, 8, 9, 10 poems are there. Sukulam. Sukulam means good family. Kushalam is being, having a kind of merit, skill. Sujanam, sukulam, a person born in a good family, a person having skills, kushala, etc. And then sujanam, a good man, vihaya, leaving such a person, leaving a person of high born, high talent, and highly merited. Kula kushala shila vikalepi. Kula kushala shila vikalepi. The la 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 is coming here, Srinivas. The entire two lines are having alliteration with lakara. Sukula, kushala, kula, kushala, again repeated, shila, vikala. Kula, kushala, shila, vikalepi. Adhye, no. Leaving a man of high birth, high talent, and high, etc. One who is without kula. Kula vikale. Vikale means kula rahiti. Then kushala vikale, kushala rahiti. Sheela vikale, sheela rahiti. So you can say vikale. A man who is not having a good family, who is not talented, who is not even good by character, sheela is also not there. But only quality of that person is adhye. He is very rich. Dhaniki, adhye. Kalpatarau iva nityam rajyanti. Rajyanti prasidanti, become pleased. Jana nivahaha, jana samuhaha, jananam nivahaha, jana nivahaha, jananam samuhaha, jana samuhaha. Groups of people, multitudes of people in society, rajyanti, prasidanti, they become pleased with a rich man, though not of a good family, though not born in a good family, though not merited, though not having any character as such, but they will be looking up to such person only because of the factor called adhyatvam, that is money. Like how do they look up to that person? Kalpatarau iva, like kalpataru. Kalpataru is a divine creeper, divine tree, which is supposed to be there in the heaven. Kalpa vriksha, kalpataru. Kalpataru iva, kalpa vriksha iva. Nityam, always people become, rajyanti means they become pleased, they become satisfied with a rich man as if he is the kalpataru only. And they don't care for kula, shila, kushalatva, and all these things, all these things. So this is the society. So how should I earn money now? Having spent all his money for dharma karya and other karyas, he is been reduced to poverty and he is been laughed at by his own people. So that is the worry of this Manibhadra. Yes, you know.
विफलमिव पूर्वसुकृतं विद्यावन्तोऽपि कुलसमुद्भूताः यस्य यदा विभवः स्यात् तस्य तदा दासतां यान्ति.
Viphalamiva purva sukrutam. Now for this man, a man who is depressed totally, having lost all his money, such people may think that purva sukrutam, generally purva sukrutam pays off as per the Niti Shastra or even Dharma Shastra also. Sukruta always pays you. It is like a debit card.
Yeah.
Your money is there safe in the deposited in the bank. So it comes kale phalanti yathaiva vrikshaha. So sukruta is sukruta gives result like trees giving result in time. You sow a seed today, a mango tree, let us suppose. You sow a mango tree today, and you can't expect the result in within your calculated time. It takes its own time to give you fruit. So our people tell us, our elders, that whatever sukruta good deed we do, they are all getting deposited. And we may get the result right in this life, or if the fructification does not take place in this life, then it may be in the next life also. So that is why we say how some people without putting much effort they get good results. How is that to be explained now? People, then we attribute one thing, we describe such people as, oh, he is very lucky. What is that luck? Luck is nothing but sukruta.
Yeah.
Coming, sukruta comes at a time we do not know. And we say, we are lucky, he is lucky. So to get, nobody in nature, in life is given anything freely. Everybody has to work out, put in effort. And that sukruta, but even such sukruta, purva sukrutam, viphalameva, he finds as useless. Vidyavantopi kula samudbhutaha. Kula samudbhutaha, born in good family. Vidyavantaha api, though learned people. Though learned, born in good families. Yasya yada vibhavaha syat. So, whenever, even such people, when vibhavaha vittam, yasya vibhavaha vittam syat. So, whichever man has, whenever a man gets some money, yasya purushasya yada vibhavaha sampad syat vittam syat tasya tada dasatam yanti. Even the learned and highly born in high families, kula samudbhuta, kule samudbhutaha, kule samudbhutaha, kulinaha janaha, vidyavantaha janaha api, purva sukrutam viphalamiha. For them, purva sukrutam becomes nothing. Such people even become dasa, they become dasatam yanti, they become slaves of a man, yasya yada vibhavaha syat, whenever a man gets money, tasya, yasya vibhavaha vittam syat, tasya tadrushasya purushasya, vidyavantaha kulasamudbhutaha api janaha dasatam yanti, dasaha bhavanti. So men are becoming in society slaves to the moneyed person, not caring to their learning, not caring to their high family, not caring to their sukruta also. They have no understanding of this. So simply they become dasatam, they become the dasa. They are ready to serve the rich people. Yeah.
Laghurayamahana kamam garjantamapi patim payasam sarvamalajjakaramiha yadyat kurvanti paripurnaha.
So how are the rich people not blamed in this society? Is brought about in this poem. Laguhu ayam ahana lokaha. This is lagu. Lagu means this is inferior. Lagu means inferior. Lagu means inferior here. Laguhu ayam ahana lokaha. People, lokaha people. Na aha, don't say. Ayam laguhu. This is very inferior. Bad. Kamam garjantamapi, verily garjantamapi patim payasam. Payasam patim. Payas jalam. Jalana jalapatim. Who is jalapati? Paya jalanidhi. We say jalanidhi samudram. Payasam patim nama samudram. Garjantamapi samudram kamam, surely lokaha, the janaha, loka nama janaha, na laguhu ayamiti aha. They don't say this is inferior. Even when a person, nobody condemns the ocean when it makes a sound. Now, why is the ocean called lagu here, Srinivas? Because of its, what do you call, the quality of not being potable water. Ocean is called here lagu. Why ocean is not condemned by the people, they say. Although it makes garjantam, it makes a lot of sound. You can say sounds by way of making the waves, etc. Ocean has its own sound in the evenings, it is more. So people don't condemn when it is making such a noise this is a petty man, petty ocean, like, because of its strength, water strength. Payasam patim. Now, why lagu it is called? Because the ocean water is not drinkable, not useful to the society. That is. Sarvam alajjakaramiha yad yat kuruvanti paripurnaha. So, paripurnaha. So, ocean is a paripurna. Always, there is no dearth of water in the ocean. So, what you say, moneyed people are compared with ocean here, Srinivas. Just like the ocean is not blamed in spite of making so much noise, nobody condemns it as inferior. Similarly, paripurnaha, dhanena paripurnaha, yadyat kurvanti, whatever they do, sarvam alajjakaramiha, whatever shameful things the moneyed people do, nobody say laguhu ayam, lokaha na ahuhu lagu ayam. People don't condemn the rich men because of their riches, because of their only riches. That is the comparison here.
एवं संप्रधार्य भूयः अपि अचिन्तयत् तदहम् अनशनं कृत्वा प्राणान् उत्सृजामि किमनेन नो व्यर्थ जीवित व्यसनेन एवं निश्चयं कृत्वा सुप्तः.
So before going to bed, he had so many thoughts here. Evam sampradharya, thinking like this. Bhuyah api, again achintayat. He again thought like this. Tad that aham anashanam krutva. Katva is there, says one.
Yeah.
Krutva. Yeah. And also one anuswara is wrongly printed here. So aham anashanam krutva. By taking to fast, pranan usrujami, I will give up my life. So he has chosen his way of dying by way of fasting, not taking food. Anashanam krutva pranan usrujami. Kim anena no vyartha jivita vyasanena. What is the use of this useless life? Vyartha jivita vyasanena. What point is there in living anymore now? So I will just fast unto death. Like this, he thought. He had another thought like this. And evam nischayam krutva. So he decided, suptaha, he slept that night.
अथ तस्य स्वप्ने पद्मनिधिः क्षपणकरूपी दर्शनं दत्वा प्रोवाच भोः श्रेष्ठिन् मा त्वं वैराग्यं गच्छ अहं पद्मनिधिः तव पूर्वपुरुष उपार्जितः तदनेनैव रूपेण प्रातः त्वद् गृहम् आगमिष्यामि ततः त्वया अहं लगुडप्रहारेण शिरसि ताडनीयः येन कनकमयः भूत्वा अक्षयः भवामि.
So our Padmanidhi in the story, having thought various ways, moneyless life is useless, moneyed people are not blamed in society, they are like the ocean, etc. They make all nonsensical things, but they are not condemned by the people, etc., etc. And then he decided to fast to death. Atha, then tasya swapne. Now he slept, in the previous page he slept, supta. Yeah. Swapne, in the dream, Padmanidhi, kshapanaka rupi darshanam dattva. A kshapanaka, a monk, a Buddhist monk, kshapanaka rupena is also patantara is there in the form of a Buddhist monk, mendicant or monk. Kshapanaka rupena is also there, rupees. Padmanidhi, very funnily, $1 trillion, Padmanidhi, translated by Professor Raida, a $1 trillion character who comes in the swapna of this Padmanidhi. Ata tasya swapne Padmanidhi kshapanaka rupena rupi darshanam dattva. So that Padmanidhi. Padmanidhi is also a name of a denomination, Srinivas. Like Shanka, Padma, we have na Arbuda, we have a number of names, you know that we have already seen nothing. 18 zeros, up to 18 zeros we have denomination. I gave you some time back, Srinivas, you remember, for printing.
Yeah.
I had hand.
Yes, sir.
I have one handy here. Starting from Dasha, Shatam, Sahasram, Ayutam, Laksham, Prayutam, Koti, Arbudam, increasing by tens. Arbudam, Abdam, Karva, Nikarva, Mahapadma, Shanka, Jalanidhi, Antya, Madhya, Parardha. So Parardha is having 18 zeros. I read in this GK book. One GK book is there, famous, which is used by students, published from Kerala, Srinivas.
Sir.
Long back, I read in that in Indian numerical numbers, they do not have more than 1 crore names, he said. Immediately, I wrote a mail. Who told you that we do not have? If you want to publish, then tell me, I will give you the names up to 18 zeros. What are the names? That person never responded. Even today, he has not responded. 20 years are over. Now, this is how this Balamanorama, sorry. Balamanorama Srinivas, GK, which is supposed to be very standard. But, you know, Padmanidhi is one denomination here. Name of the currency, I mean the number. So, writer said correctly, $1 trillion. He appeared in this dream and said, "Oh, Sreshtin, oh merchant, Matvam Vairagyam Gacha." Don't get frustrated, don't get dejected. Vairagyam Magacha. Aham Padmanidhi, I am $1 trillion. I am the millionaire, trillionaire. Padmanidhi, Tava Purva Purushoparjitaha. Tava Purva Purushaihi Uparjitaha. I am the person representing the money earned by your predecessors. Tad so, anenaiva rupena, in this very form, anenaiva rupena, prataha, morning, tomorrow morning, tvad gruham agamishyami, I will come to your home. Tataha, then what should you do? Tvaya aham laguda praharena, then you should take a stick, laguda, and do the prahara, laguda praharena, with by attacking with a stick. Where should you hit me with the stick? Shirasi, mastake, tadaniya. I must be beaten. I should be beaten tomorrow. I am coming in the same form to your home. Then when I enter you, then you take a stick, be ready with the stick and hit upon my, I should be hit on my head. Shirasi tadaniya. Yena, so that Kanakamayaha bhutva, I will become full of gold. Akshayaha bhavami, and I will become inexhaustible mine of gold. Not only this body, but inexhaustible, as much as you can draw. This is what the dream had. Yeah, he had the dream.
अथ प्रातः प्रबुद्धः सन् स्वप्नं स्मरन् चिन्ताचक्रम् आरूढः तिष्ठति। अहो सत्योऽयं स्वप्नः किं वा असत्यो भविष्यति, न ज्ञायते अथवा नूनं मिथ्या अनेन भाव्यम्, यथोऽहम् अहर्निशं केवलं वित्तमेव चिन्तयामि.
So naturally, if any person gets a dream like this, he'll be confused, not totally. Anybody will be confused. Atha, then prataha prabuddhaha. Dream over, night got over, and then it is dawned morning, prataha prabuddhaha. He awoke. Prabuddhaha son having been waken up. Swapnam smaran, then he was remembering this dream. What kind of wonderful dream I had. Swapnam smaran chinta chakram arudaha. He was so much, what do you call, perplexed. Srinivas. Chinta rupa chakrena. Chakram aruda. Chinta rupi chakram aruda. He literally meaning Literally means he was placed on a wheel of thought, thought and second thought. He was placed on a wheel of thought. So thoughts, keep coming to us. So remembering this swapna, Chinta Chakram, that means he was highly perplexed. Chakram Arudhaha Tishtati, he was standing there. What is this dream? Huh? A person came like this. Oh, Satyaha ayam swapnaha. Could this dream be Satya? True? Kimva or else Asatyaha bhavishyati? Or will it be wrong? False? Nagnayate, not known. Athava or Nunam mithya aneira bhavyam. Then he thinks maybe it is all false, mithya only. Yata aham aharnisham kevalam vittameva chintayami. Then he is consoling himself. Because I am always thinking of money. Maybe this is a false dream. This dream is not going to, I am not going to realize the dream as such. Maybe this is false. Mithya anena bhavyam. Yataha, because aham aharnisham, day and night, kevalam vittameva dhanameva chintayami. When a man thinks of the same thing throughout the day, it continues in the dream also, in the sleep. So he thought like that, he dismisses with it. Uktam cha, and he says,
व्याधितेन सशोकेन चिन्ताग्रस्तेन जन्तुना कामार्थेनाथ मत्तेन दृष्टस्वप्नो निरर्थकः.
so the writer tells us that now what kind of dream could be true and what dream could not be true like. Vyaditena sashokena chintagrastena jantuna purushena. A person who is vyadhi grastaha, one who is sick, a dream seen by a diseased person, sashokena, a grieved person, a person who has been put to sorrow, sorrowful person, chintagrastena, a person who is very, who is in problems, chintagrastena, full of problems. Jantu is a common word used for men. So, a man who is the dream, and further he says, kamarthena, and a person who is taken over by some desire-stricken person, like his own self. I want money, otherwise I will end up my life. Kamarthena ata, and one more person, mattena, intoxicated person. So by these people, by a sick person, by a sorrowful person, by a vexed person in life, or by a person who is taken over by some desire, or by an intoxicated person, or by etc. Yeah, intoxicated person. Drushtaha swapnaha. So by any of these, drushtaha swapnaha, the dream seen by either a diseased or this, one of these, nirarthakaha. So dreams won't come true if they are seen by the diseased, the suffering, and the, it's like the lusty or the intoxicated people. Maybe I am seen some dream. So he's consoling himself. Etasmin antare.
एतस्मिन् अन्तरे तस्य भार्यया कश्चिन्नापितः पादप्रक्षालनया आहूतः. अत्रान्तरे च यथा अनिर्दिष्टः क्षपणकः सहसा प्रादुर्बभूव.
Now, this fellow is thinking like this because he had a wonderful dream where Padmanidhi came and he offered that he said he will be coming in the same form. Now, some dreams can be remembered for hours together next day. Even in my experience, sometimes I can remember throughout the day, next day, such dreams. So he dismisses with this thought. Etasminantara, in the meantime, tasya bharyaya kaschit napitaha barber. Some barber was called for. Pada prakshalanaya ahutaha, for pedicure. In those days, they also had these barbers were doing the pedicure. Nowadays, it's a big business, pedicure, in salons and beauty parlors. Now people go to beauty parlor, they get hair dressed and then also the foot, pedicure it is called. Pada prakshalanaya. Otherwise, why should this businessman's wife invite a barber to wash her feet? Or sure, it is not that she is going to wash the feet of the barber either. So, pada prakshalana here means after doing the pedicure, washing the feet, etc. Pada prakshalanaya ahutaha. So, it is clear there was a practice, even the writers have pointed out this from this word. In ancient India, barbers were doing this washing of the feet and tuning and trimming the nails, etc. And this was mostly practiced, it seems, Buddhists and Jains. By the this was practiced by the Buddhists and Jains also, because there is a Jain monk is coming now. We will also see monastery later, next page. So, Atrantare. So, barber came for the service of the wife, Bharya of that Vanik. Atrantare, in the meantime, so simultaneously these two things are, first barber came immediately, then followed by Yatha Nirdishtaha, as indicated in the Swapne. Yatha Swapne Nirdishtaha, we have to bring in that word. Swapne Nirdishtaha, as was pointed out in the scene, as was Yatha Nirdishtaha, Yatha Drushtaha, as was seen, Swapne, Kshapadakaha, that monk, Jain monk, Buddhist monk, Sahasa, suddenly, Pradurbhabu, he appeared there. Suddenly, the same figure appeared there. The figure which he saw of Padmanidhi, who identified himself as Padmanidhi, etc. Now, a great shock to the our Vanik. Srinivas, next.
Atha sah tam alokya prahrushtamana asan
Prahrushtamana asanna kasta dandena.
Asanna kasta dandena tam shirasi atadayat. Sopi suvarnamayo bhutva tat kshanad bhumau nipatitaha.
See, the actualization, we say, the actualization of the dream has taken within no time now. It materialized in no time. The barber came and immediately followed by the Yathanidishtaha. Similar, as he saw, as was the dream, as per the dream, he appeared, the monk appeared. Tam alokya, seeing him, prahrustamana, now our Manibhadra became very happy. Dream has become true. Asanna kasta dandena, maybe by he had a ready kasta danda. Kasta danda means a wooden stick. Asanna means nearby. Asanna kasta dandena tam, what do you call the kshapanakam? That kshapana, shirasi atadayate. With wasting no time, he took the stick and hit him on the head. So, and that Padmanidhi also, that Kshapanaka also, Suvarnamayaha Bhutva, immediately turned into gold. Tat Kshanat, that very moment, Bhumau Nipatitaha, fell on the ground. A heap of gold fell on the ground. Now, this was watched by the Napita, that barber. Yeah.
Atha tam sasreshti nivrutam swagruha madhye krutva napitam santoshya provacha tadetad dhanam vastrani cha maya dattani gruhana bhadra punaha kasyachit na akhyayoyam vrittantaha.
Now, anybody would become cautious at this point of time. Atha, then what happened? Tam sasreshti. Tam means tam, what do you call, kshapanakam. Tam savarnamaya bhutam kshapanakam, that golden kshapanaka. What did you do? Sreshti, that businessman, our Manibhadra, Nibrutam silently Swagruha Madhye Krutva. He took him into the house, inside the house. Swagruha Madhye Nitva Krutva. Krutva means taking him to Nitva. Napitam, he came to the Baba. Santosha, he pleased him and said, Provacha, Tad etad dhanam, that etad dhanam, take this money, vastrani, these clothes, maya dattani gruhani. You please take this money and clothes. Bhadra, my friend, punaha, and again, kasyachit na akhyeyaha na vaktavyaha. Ayam vrittanta. This story should not be told to anybody. Take this money and take this clothes also, but don't you tell anyone about this incident. He cautioned him. Then that fellow said, Napitopi, yeah.
नापितः अपि स्वगृहं गत्वा व्यचिन्तयत् नूनमेते सर्वेपि नग्नकाः शिरसि दण्डहताः काञ्चनमया भवन्ति तदहमपि प्रातः प्रभूतानाहूय लघुडैः शिरसि हन्मि येन प्रभूतं हाटकं मे भवति एवं चिन्तयतः महता कष्टेन निशा व्यतिचक्राम.
So, Atilobha, Atilobha, Napitaha api, the barber also, Swagruham Gatva, going his home, Vyachintayat. Then he started thinking. Now, this fellow did not just leave the matter there, becoming happy with money and clothes. He started thinking. Nonam, surely, ete sarvepi nagnakaha shirasi dandahataha kanchanamayaha bhavanti. He thought, that fellow, surely all these Buddhist monks, nagnakaha, they are also called Buddhist Jainist monks. Nagnaka means they sometimes don't wear anything, na? So nagna kshapanakaha. You heard that famous joke in Sanskrit. Vaktaraha kim karishyanti yadi shrotaraha na vidyanti. What will the vaktas do? What will the speakers do if there are no audience available? This is the joke about Kshapanaka. I'm remembering Srinivas. Vaktaraha kim karishyanti yadi shrotaraha na vidyanti. Nagna, that word made me remember. Nagna kshapanaka deshe rajakaha kim karishyati. What will a rajaka do going to the Nagna kshapanaka desha, a place where full of naked monks are there? He will have no job of washing it, rajaka. So he thought, Nuna mete sarvepi nagnakaha, all these monks, shirasi dandahataha, when beaten with a stick on the head, kanchanamaya bhavanti. This fellow thought like that, they become gold. So now see, the Manibhadra hit only one monk, and that monk became, as per the dream, he became the gold. Now this fellow thinks all are like this. So why I will invite a number of them, hit them all, then get more money than Manibhadra. Kanchanamaya bhavanti. Tad so ahamapi prataha prabhutan ahuya. So he decides now. Ahamapi prataha morning prabhutan adhikan kshapankan ahuya lagudaihi dandaihi shirasi hanmi. Hanmi means hit, will kill. Actually, hana to kill. I'll kill them, hitting on the head. Hanmi. Hanadatu, hanmi anti. Yena, by which prabhutam hatakam me bhavati, prabhutam suvarnam me bhavati. Hatakam means suvarnam. By which way I will get a lot of gold, more than Manibhadra got. Evam chinte, like this only he was thinking. Like Mungeri Lal ke Haseen Sapne. We had a beautiful serial. Mungeri Lal. Evam chintayataha, thinking like this. Mahata kastena, with great difficulty, Nisha Vyatichakrama. That night passed out of this barber's night was passed with great difficulty with these kind of thoughts. Atha
प्रभाते अभ्युत्थाय बृहल्लगुडमेकं प्रगुणीकृत्य क्षपणकविहारं गत्वा जिनेन्द्रस्य प्रदक्षिणत्रयं विधाय जानुभ्यामवनिं गत्वा वक्त्रद्वारन्यस्तः उत्तरीया उत्तरीयाञ्चलः तारस्वरेण इमं श्लोकम् अपठत्.
Then this fellow decided, like Manibhadra decided to end his life, but had a wonderful dream, and dream came true. Atha then Prabhate in the morning, Abhyuthaya got up, Burhat Lagudam. He took a very big stick, Burhat Lagudam Dandamekam Praguni Krutya, made it available. Praguni Krutya means he got prepared, kept it ready. He took one big stick and kept it ready, Praguni Krutya. Shapanaka Viharam. Now, Viharam means the monastery, Srinivas. Viharam. Bihar is that place. Bihar is a place of monasteries, actually. Bihar is Bihar. Bihar only. Many Buddhist monasteries were there in Bihar. Va becomes Ba, you know that. Vabayo Ravedaha. So it is become Bihar. Kshapanaka Viharam. Kshapanaka Nivasam Gatva. He went to the Buddhist monks' place, monastery, Viharam Gatva. Jinendrasya Pradakshinatrayam Vidaya. So this fellow is showing his bhakti now. This barber. Jinendrasya to the Buddha, Pradakshinatrayam, 3 times he took Pradakshina Vidaya. Janubhyam Avanim Gatva, and he went on his knee. He touched his, knees, kneeling down. He kneeled down also. Janubhyam to the ground. Avanim Pratibhim Gatva. Vaktra Dwara Nyasta Uttariyanchala Anchalaha. Having he Vaktra Dwara means Mukhadwaram. So he put he covered his mouth with the border of his cloth. Vaktra Dwara Nyasta Uttariyam. Uttariyam is upper garment.
Yeah.
So he put his Uttariya into the mouth, with the border of the Uttariya in his mouth. So holding that cloth in his mouth, Taraswarena, with a loud voice. Imam means this. Saraswarena Imam Slokam Apatan. He read out this sloka. Very loudly he read out this sloka.
Excuse me, sir. What is this Jinendrasya?
Jinendra, Jina or Buddha, both are same here. They are sometimes Kshapanaka. Jinendra is another name for Buddhist monk.
Oh.
Buddhist monks are called Jina, etc. Jina is a title of Buddha, Srinivas.
Sir.
Jinendra. Jinendra means the Buddhist original Buddha you can take. Jina Indra. Jina is the name applied to all the chief monks in a Buddhist monastery. Jina.
From which this Jaina is come?
Yeah, Jina, Jaina come, but this is here, in this context, it is only referring to Buddhist.
Oh, okay. Jayanti te jina yesham kevalajnanashalinam ajanmanas smarotpattau manaseno sharaitam.
Then this fellow, barber, is loudly speaking of this poem. So out of necessity, even a barber becomes a poet now. Sharma ji, Pancha or Vishnu Sharma ji is making even a barber a poet now out of necessity, out of need. Mother, what do you call? Necessity is the mother of invention, we say, na? So that makes him a poet like now. Jayanti te Jina yesham kevala jnana shalinam. That is why Jina is there here. Again, Srinivas. Your doubt is there. Jina Shabda is used here. Jayanti te Jina yesham kevala jnana shalinam. Ajanmanaha smarotpattau Manasa Manasenosharayitam. Manasena Usharayitam. Usharayitam. Now, here he says one grammatical aspect of this is Jayanti. We have a poem by Bhartruhari, I am reminded. Jayanti te sukrutino rasasiddhaha kavishwaraha nasti yesham yashakkaye jara maranajam bhayam. This we studied, I think, in our Sanskrit class. Srinivas, you remember? Exactly like this it begins. Jayanti te sukrutino rasasiddhaha kavishwaraha nasti yesham yashakkaye jara maranajam bhayam. So, are victorious those poets in whose Yashakaya, poets, live in their Yashakaya. They have no death. Poets have no death, Bhartruhari says. They always live in their Yashakaya, not physical Kaya. Bhautika Kaya, na Yashakaya. And that Yashakaya has no Jara Marana Jam Bhayam. It has no fear of Jara, old age, Marana, death. Where is death and old age for the Yashas? Yashakaya. Like we say Kirti Sharira, Kirti Sesha, etc. So I'm just reminded of the sloka. Now they say the present tense Jayati, Jayataha, Jayanti is used, Srinivas, is used instead of lot lakara Jayantu when inferior people are expressing a wish for the superior people, Srinivas. Are you getting? So when inferior people are wishing for the well-being of the superiors, they cannot use lot lakara. Jayantu they can't say. See how so much grammatical this culture is there here. Who can put it in lot lakara imperative mode Jayantu? Only a person who is occupying a higher position in life. An elderly person can say Jayatu. Socially, intellectually, spiritually elevated people can use Jayantu, lot lakara. Otherwise, when an inferior character is praying for the superior character, then present tense is used. So much is. So here the Napita is an inferior character, na, in the story. How can he bless the Jinas, Buddhist monks? Monks are superior people, right? So that is why it is Jayanti, lat lakara. So he says, victorious are the Buddhas. Jinas means Buddhas here. Jayanti te jinaha buddhaha. Buddhistic ascetics who are distinguished by the highest knowledge. Yesham kevala gnanashalinam. Yesham kevala gnanashalinam. Gnanameva gnanashalinaha. Gnanena shalante shobante. Shalante means shobante. Gnanena shalante shobante. Ye te gnanashalinaha. Tesham gnanashalinam. Yesham kevala gnanashalinam. Those who shine with the highest knowledge and ajanmanaha, right from their birth. These Buddhist monks, right from their birth, ajanmanaha, smara utpattau. Smara means manmata. Smara utpattau. For the smara utpatti means in the production of love, feeling of love. Smara means manmata. Utpatti means utpatti. In the making of love, in the production of love, in the creation of love, for that matter. Smara is manmata, utpatti is utpatti. So right from their birth, these Buddhistic monks, ascetics, victorious are the Buddhistic monks who shine because of their rich knowledge, gnana shalinaha, and who right from their birth, smara utpattau means prema utpattau, manasena Usharaitam, by mind their minds have been turned into the ground of a saline water, saline ground. Smara utpatto, in the production of love, that is in the production of, that means love cannot flourish. Love cannot flourish in the minds of the Buddhist monks because their minds have been usharaitam. Ushara means usha iva charitam, iva charitam usharaitam. Kshara mrutikaitam, Srinivas. That means ushara means, ushaha means here kshara mrutika, salt ground. Like there cannot be any cultivation on a salt ground.
Oh.
In the similar manner, their minds have been become salted. So there cannot be smara utpatti now. In the minds of the Buddhist monks, there cannot be any sprouting of love, because their minds have been what you call salinized. We should say, I don't know.
Yeah. In other words,
they become barren. Yeah.
The feelings cannot distract them. The desires.
Love feelings cannot be born in the minds of these monks right from their birth, because their minds have been made barren from their birth. That is, such monks may become are victorious. Jayanti are victorious. Not become victorious. Jayantu itina. Jayantu. So they cannot have any feeling of love. That is the meaning here. Smara utpattau, prema utpattau, anuraga utpattau, manasena usharaitam. That usharaitam means usha iva acharitam. Kshara mrutikaitam, you can say. Kshara mrutika.
Anyacha.
Then, yeah, anyacha.
Sajihvayajinam stauti tachittam yajjineratam taveva chakaro shlaghyo yautat puja karau.
Then he says, he has become poetic, the Napita, barber. Sa jihva, that is the tongue, ya jinam stauti, which praises the Buddhist, Buddha. Buddham ya jihva stauti saeva jihva iti. That is a tongue which praises the Buddha. Tat chittam, that's the mind. Yat jane ratam, which is interested, which is devoted to the Buddha. Jane ratam, yes, jane ratam, sorry, not jane. Tat chittam is napunsaka, na? Tat chittam, beautiful usage for noun, pronoun studies. Sa jihva ya jinam stauti tat chittam yat jine ratam tavevacha karau, tau eva, ayadi sandhi.
Yeah.
Tau eva, tavevacha karau. Those are the two hands, slagyav, praiseworthy. Those are the two hands praiseworthy. Yau, which are tat puja karau, which are the hands in doing the puja to the Buddhist. So he's praising the Buddhist like anything. No, see, when somebody praises unnecessarily so much, then we should be, we have that sukti, na? Atimariya, no?
Dhurta lakshanam.
What is that?
Ati vinayam, dhurta
lakshanam. Ati vinaya, dhurta lakshanam. So ati vinaya is shown here. Ati vinaya on the part of the Napita.
Looks like a Bhagavata shloka.
In Bhagavata also, like Lord Krishna was also shown ati vinaya. Later he was trying to be, that.
Sajihva yajinam stauti. It looks like Bhagavata shloka.
Yeah. Chaya is there.
Tatha cha dhyanam vyajamupetya chintayasikam unmilya chakshuh kshanam pasyanangasharaturam janamimam tratapi no rakshasi. मिथ्याकारुणिकोऽसि निगूढतरः त्वत्वः कुतोऽन्यः पुमान् शेर्ष्यं वारवधूभिरित्यभिहितो बौद्धो जिनः पातु वः.
And that fellow is also not confined to one poem, two poems, the third poem also. He said, Dhyana Vyajam Upetya. Vyaja means pretext, saku. Dhyana Vyajam Upetya Chintayasi Kam. Kam Chintayasi. What woman are you contemplating, thinking about, Srinivas? Thinking of, under? About which women are you thinking about under the pretext of dhyana? Dhyanasya vyajena kam stream upe chintayasi. Understanding, Srinivas? What women are you thinking of under the pretext of dhyana? That is the first line. Unmilya chakshuhu. Nimilya means opposite of this, Srinivas. Unmilya chakshuhu, opening eyes, kshanam pashya, opening your eyes, watch, look for a moment. Kshanakalam pashya, unmilya chakshuhu unmilya, opening eyes, kshanam pashya, just see, ananga sharaturam janamimam, just see this person, ananga shara aturam, ananga nama manmatha. We have already discussed this. Manmataha, Smaraha, Anangaha, these are all the names here. Ananga Shara means Manmata Shara, Manmata Bhana. Tena Ananga Sherena Atura Piditam. Janam Imam, this person who is attacked by the arrow of Manmatha. What is the arrow of Manmatha? Flowers. So that is why I told you, last class also. So love, sentiment of love, Srungara, according to Bharata Muni, is possible only in nature. When you go into nature, when you go into a garden, that is why all love songs are put in beautiful gardens in our cinemas. Love scene, love song cannot be enacted in Smashana. Because the feeling of love Srungara cannot be born in Smashana. So when you see nature, immediately the Manmata operation takes place. Manmata will be showing the Smara, Ananga Shara. He will be showing his arrows in the form of the flowers. When you look at when young people especially look at the flowers and the fruits, they become lovesick, they say. So Ananga Shara Turam Janamimam. Just see, open your eyes. Oh Buddha, open your eyes for a while and look at this person suffering from love. Trata apino rakshasi. Although you are called Trata, protector. Oh Buddha, you are supposed to be our protector. Trata api na rakshasi. But no rakshasi, you don't protect. No rakshasi means na rakshasi. Our no. Avyaya. This is not English no. We have two negative words in Sanskrit. One is na, another is this no. No rakshasi means na rakshasi. Though you are called the protector, you don't protect. Mithya karunikosi. You are falsely called very, karunika means very kind person. They say it very falsely that you are a very kind. Nirgrunaha. You are very cruel. Mithya karunikaha. You are wrongly called a karunamaya. But you are in fact nirgrunaha, nirdaya. You are cruel. Nirgrunataraha. Nirgrunataraha tvattaha kutovanya. There cannot be more cruel person than you. In fact, people falsely call you as karunika, very kind person. Open your eyes and see my condition. This is what some woman is saying. Some group of women are addressing Lord Buddha, Buddha here. Nirgrunataraha, nirgruna krurataraha tvattaha than you, kutaha anyaha puman. Which other person is more cruel than you? Understand? Sersham sa irsha, irsha sahitam sersham, with envious feeling. Maravadhubihi. Who are saying this? Maravadhubihi. Love-stricken women. Mara means Manmatha. Maravadhubihi. Women who are lovesick, by love-stricken women, abhihitaha, addressed. This is how, who is addressed? Bauddhaha. Buddha is addressed, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Buddha is addressed. Bauddhaha jinaha. That is why, see, both the words are used here.
Yeah.
Bauddhaha jinaha. Buddha, who is called Jina. Patu vaha. May he protect us all. May such Buddha who is meditating, who is, meditating and but thinking somebody, etc., who is not opening his eyes, asked to open his eyes, etc. All this description. Now, this is, by the way, Srinivas, the opening poem of a Nataka called Naganandam of Sri Harsha Mahakavi. Harsha, Sri Harsha, Naganandam. This is the same there also. Nagananda also deals with Buddhist thing. I think we can very conveniently stop here.
Yeah.
Shubham Bhuyat.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.